The BJP has hit back at the Congress over the India-China standoff by tweeting a video of former Defence Minister A.K. Antony in which he is seen saying that there was not much infrastructure build-up along Indo-Chinese border. BJP has put out this tweet, rather this video that has been tweeted. Let's first take a look at it.
Didn't admit the reality. To admit the truth, I have no hesitation. Compared to India, in the area of building infrastructure, China is much advanced. Their infrastructure development is superior to India. We are only catching up. That is also history. Why? Independent India, many years as a policy on border, best defense is not to develop the border. Undeveloped border is more safe than developed border. So many years there was no construction of roads, airfields, nothing in the border areas. By that time, China continued to develop their infrastructure in the border areas. So as a result, now they have gone ahead of us. Compared to us, infrastructure-wise, capability-wise, in the border areas, they are ahead. I admit that. It's a part of history.
So amid the war of words and pro-China reactions that have been coming in when it comes to the grand old party, this is the latest charge that the BJP has pressed, primarily quoting a video. And in this video, as you saw, former Defence Minister A.K. Antony, he's heard saying that there was not much infrastructure build-up along Indo-Chinese border. Remember, at 5 p.m. today is when the all-party meeting will be chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and there is a lot of anger against the Congress. Just a short while back, we also saw protests against the Congress party in Ladakh over their stand and how they have been taking a pro-China line. Let's once again take a look at this video that has now been posted by the BJP.
I have no hesitation to admit the reality. To admit the truth, I have no hesitation. Compared to India, in the area of building infrastructure, China is much advanced. Their infrastructure development is superior to India. We are only catching up. That is also history. Why? Independent India, many years as a policy on border, best defense is not to develop the border. Undeveloped border is more safe than developed border. So many years there was no construction of roads, airfields, nothing in the border areas. By that time, China continued to develop their infrastructure in the border areas. So as a result, now they have gone ahead of us. Compared to us, infrastructure-wise, capability-wise, in the border areas, they are ahead. I admit that. It's a part of history.
All right, I'd like to welcome our guest joining us on this broadcast. We have Meena Nayyar. She is the mother of late Captain Anuj Nayyar. And also with us on this broadcast is Prabal Das Gupta. He is an army veteran and the author of Watershed 1967. Prabal Das Gupta, if I can first come to you, especially over this comment that was made by the former Defence Minister at a time when there has been mounting anger even against the Congress for taking a pro-China line and the kind of reactions that we have been seeing. Now, this represents the mindset. And if this is the mindset of the Congress, then how can we possibly fight China? And this at a time when it is very important to stand united, to be able to beat them, to be able to teach them a lesson. What do you have to say about this particular video that you just saw?
Ramifications. The one thing that I must say is that infrastructure along the border has been developed over the last a few years. I think that has really helped. The discussion today, the issue with China is the fact that India is building its infrastructure. The reason why China objects to it is that India's ability to deploy troops quickly goes up. This is something that benefits India, the connection to Daulat Beg Gully over Shok River, the infrastructure along the LAC. China fears that. And I think this is a moment that we need to support the plans that are on in terms of building infrastructure and all the plans that are on in terms of opposing China. China has changed the terms of engagement 2 days back after 53 years of intriguing peace. That they have changed. So I think this is the time to hit back at China in terms of being united in whatever actions we do take going forward. And also, to your question on the video, the only thing that I have to say is that the infrastructure development has happened in the last few years, which has benefited Indian deployment, has rattled China. That's something that we need to be aware of and cognizant about and be united towards this.
Yes, I want to talk to you more about that, Prabal Das Gupta, but I also want to bring in Meena Nayyar ji into this conversation because, Meena ji, the army braves it at the borders, but what really happens eventually is hugely also the result of what the political dispensation decides and what those sitting in the parliament in Delhi think. When you see these kind of statements coming in, especially from the grand old party, and the kind of stand they take, what is it that you go through?
Ma'am, I feel this is not the time to criticize government. This is the time to support the government. This way or that way, we all have to support the government, acting government. And mostly, जो देश का जवान है, वो हिंदुस्तान को belong करता है. उसके लिए पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज़ को कभी भी सियासत नहीं करनी चाहिए. और टू माय माइंड हमारे जवान हमारे लिए बहुत प्रेशियस हैं. अगर वो हमारे देश को प्रोटेक्ट करते हैं तो गवर्नमेंट हैज़ टू मेक द इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर कि उन लोगों की लाइफ भी प्रोटेक्टेड रहे. दे आर नॉट देयर टू डाई एवरी टाइम. कभी पुलवामा में हो गया, कभी उरी में हो गया, कभी कारगिल में हो गया, कभी चाइना का बॉर्डर पे हो गया. इन चीज़ों के लिए हम सिविलियन लोग हैं. बट गवर्नमेंट हैज़ टू सी कि इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग होना चाहिए. एंड मोर ओवर फ़ौजों को कुछ हद तक फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी होनी चाहिए. रॉड्स से मरना हमें ये मंजूर नहीं है. प्लीज़.